This video is being made to show you how to use the Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Express to build and to develop and compile the first Hello World program. And so we will come here and choose New Project. And there are several choices under Visual C++. The Win32 is selected. The console application is selected. I'm going to show you what happens first if you just choose this console application. And we'll go test 1 is the name of the project that we're creating, and I'm going to say OK, and it will say what do you want to do, a console application. Fine. I will say finish, and it creates for me test1.cpp including standard AFX, and it's creating an empty console application program, and that's all fine. Let's see, we do want to view, let's see, the Solution Explorer. That's over here on the right. That shows we have several things, including we already have a source file called test1.cpp. This, in my opinion, is giving us a little bit too much to follow along. Plus, it doesn't look anything like the examples that were given. So, I'm going to close this one. And I'm going to go Project. No. I'm going to go File, New, Project. We're sort of back where we started. We'll keep the console application. That's fine. Let's call it Test2 as our project. And I'm going to say OK and make this one change. I'm going to go to Application Settings, and I do want console application checked, at least for now, in the things we're writing, but I'm going to say Empty Project and finish. Now with this Solution Explorer up and I go look at the source files, there are no source files in there, and I'm going to right click and add a new item. That new item will be a CPP file, and I'm going to call it hello.c because that's the typical naming convention for C rather than C++. I will add that file. It shows up under the sources. It's empty, and now I'll type number include stdio.h. Notice it's offering some help on those kinds of things. I do need those braces for a standard file. Then void main void is one of the ways that we were shown to write a C program as opposed to a C++ program. And I'll hit enter, and I'll start the curly brace. It indents that nicely. I'll hit enter and run printf. Quote hello world. \n goes to a new line. Close the quote. Won't print anything else. Close the parenthesis, put a semicolon, hit enter, and do the curly brace. My program is finished. Now how do I run it? I can do it several ways. There is a run button right here, and so if I just click run, okay, it compiled. Let's just look at the kind of things that happened. It did complain about some things, and I believe the program did in fact run. Let me instead go build the solution. Let's see what that says. Okay, it is built, and so if I just run it again, did you see the console flash and go away? I'm going to run it again. Right in this area, a portion of the console window will show up and go away. What's going on? Well, it's running, it's creating a window, it is printing hello world, and then it's throwing the window away. Let's go ahead and start learning a little bit about the debugger by clicking in this area, and I'm going to set a breakpoint, and I'm going to tell the program to stop right there. And now when I run it, my console window is still there. I drag it into the viewing area, it says hello world. I'm going to move it off to the side a little bit and let's move this, let's see. Well, it's just going to disappear. When I bring this window to the front, it'll disappear. But if I can continue running, then the console window will disappear as well. So the breakpoint allowed us to see the console window and have it work. That's probably enough for this one little video. Try it out and see how it works for you.